Hi everybody, Patrick here from escaperoomelectronics.com and engineeringshock.com. Got new internet today, so I'm testing it out. My upload speed is supposed to be 4 times as fast, which will really help me out, and so I figured I'd make a video showcasing what I'm working on right now. And it's a wireless relay system. It acts to one talks to the next, talks to the next, talks to the next, talks to the next, so you can effectively double, triple, quadruple, and so forth your distance, your max distance. Now I'm just starting this project out, and at this point I'm just playing around with some circuit boards that I designed, and so I figured I'd show it off where I'm at. It's just very basic. I plug it in. This is the hub.
Wireless relay system initializing.
So at this point what I do is I just press this button, and what will happen is the LED on here will light up, then here, then here, then here, then here, and this is programmed to be the last board, so then it tells this board to shut off, and to also tell this board to shut off all the way back to the hub. And if it completes that circle, then the test is successful, and if not, it's a fail. So I'll start it.
Activating wireless relay system. Signal received. Test successful.
Okay, so I've got a little red LED here plugged off the top of the board because I didn't have an indicator LED on the board, and I haven't implemented any of the other features of this board like keypad, timer, or anything. Just the audio chip in the main processor, which talks to the first transmitter. So you might not have seen the LEDs. So what I'll do is I'll quickly turn the video off, turn it back on with a close-up view of the transmitters. The LEDs are in the upper right-hand area of the PCBs. So just try to follow along. They should go in order and then go back. They're all each given their own address.
Activating wireless relay system. Signal received. Test successful.
Okay, so if it wasn't successful, there's no acknowledge here, so I mean it's just a very basic program. It sends the command once. If it's not received, it's going to stop dead in its tracks, and I'll have to reset the unit in order to get it to work. Now at this close proximity, I expect a few errors. I don't like the fact that the antennas are so close together when they're supposed to be much farther apart. But obviously I've got a lot of code rewriting to do. All of the chips have the exact same code on them, but they do different things depending on the dip switch settings. I'm just using dollar store batteries. Ideally you'd want to use better quality batteries, but 9-volt batteries are terrible for these types of applications anyway, because really 9-volt batteries are terrible power sources. If you're consuming more than 10 milliamps, you're going to drain these batteries relatively quickly. Anyway, let me just give it one more shot. I totally expect a failure sooner or later because, again, this is working, but I've got about a 10% failure mode where I have to manually reset, and that will be fixed with just code changes. So let me try this one more time. We'll see if we can get a failure.
Activating wireless relay system. Signal received. Test successful. Well,
I guess I'm lucky, and I'm not going to show you a failure. But expect to see more of these on the channel because I plan on having a lot more fun with these transceivers. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Hopefully my upload goes well and because of my new internet source. Take care.